Okay guys, Nevada Arcade Channel coming to you from the southern Nevada desert. What we are showing you here is Gottlieb's Domino Pinball. This is one that you probably got this link from eBay. This is shopped out. New bulbs, new rubber rings, waxed the play field, tuned up all the components inside. And really this machine is very low miles, as you can tell by the condition. It's got a nice cabinet. The meter on it says 70 something thousand, 71 or 2,000. However, you don't know if that's gone over, but the insides on this machine is very nice. No, doesn't appear as though it was in maybe a bar smoking environment, probably more of a kid's venue. So anyways, we're going to show you how well it works here. We'll play a game through, and the lights come on, the specials light up, and this can be set on 3 or 5 ball. It's on 5 ball now. Most people for the home prefer that. The roto target works fine, and of course that advances the dominoes. Last ball in play, as you can see, that light comes on. We're on the 5th ball here. Small flipper games, definitely skill games. Alright guys, there you see it. 5 balls on domino, seems to work just fine. We are located in Pahrump, Nevada. Shipping would be from 89048. We recommend U-ship shippers, as they come right to our place, and we can disassemble this pinball and they can blanket wrap it and get it ready for you. So guys, we appreciate you looking. We have many more pinballs, video games coming up, a lot of classics, over 100. So keep an eye on our eBay seller site, which is West Coast Vending and the numeral 1. You'll find us there. Thanks guys. Nevada Arcade out.